How a fat man orders popcorn?
With large popcorn with extra butter layer. Extra butter. I mean, I want to be able to eat my popcorn with a spoon. I want to have popcorn soup. I'm going to break the butter record. I want you to talk behind my back when I leave. I want you to sit around with family and friends later and can't help but bring this conversation up because you're so blown away by how much butter you had to put on this popcorn. When you think, oh my gosh, this is crazy amount of butter, this has got to be enough, you're actually halfway there. I mean, I want my popcorn to come with a lifeguard and swimming lessons. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I'm going to be able to take my pills with my popcorn. I want popcorn flavored butter. I'm going to want to need a straw for my popcorn. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh yes. Don't stop now. Oh, keep her going. Oh my gosh. You are a popcorn barista. You are awesome. Oh my God, I'm loving you right now. Oh, yes. Please, yes. Oh, I'm tearing up. Thank you, thank you, thank you.